Hi, welcome back. I am going to start the retwisting process, starting with this edge gel. I use about that much. I don't know if you can see. About that much. I'm going to start here with this strand, and I start at the very, very root. And make sure that gel is all the way down to the root of that and grabbing the few hairs that might be surrounding it.
Baby.
And just retwist it all the way down. To there. So I'll keep redoing it all the way around my hair until it's all complete. And I'll get back to you guys and show you a photo.